Welcome to Beloved Honeybees. We're gonna get into my 2025 splits. Very new queens, less than 3 months old. So we're gonna get into them and check on them. This hive right here is thriving. I do feed them internally, as you can see here, and they are just all over the place in here. You'll see the difference on my other hives. This one right here, for whatever reason, is growing really fast. Production is doing well, so feeding the heck out of them, that's for sure. Just smoking them a little bit so they get going. Yes, this colony is thriving. I like to see the amount of bees here. I'll just shake this off. Got black hive beetles definitely in this colony here, and this is huge to put in there. This is called a Swiffer pad. You get the unscented Swiffer pads. As you can see, it gets stuck down with the bees. Propolis it down, but they drive the black hive beetle to it, and they get stuck here in these fibers, and they can't get released out. So that's good to have in your colonies. Put them on top of your frames. People do other things. They do the oil traps and stuff like that. I prefer to do just the Swiffer pad. It's a lot easier to, carry several on you. I need to reload my pocket, but yeah. Brand new frames, so I'm not going to draw this out. Again, these are brand new colonies, 2025 splits, and so they're fairly small right now. Right now I'm just focusing on getting them well fed, built out, ready for winter. This is beautiful. This is it's a fairly new frame, drawn out, and has fresh new larvae in it, completely filled out. You can see that in there. Very good, very good. Got a lot of resources around it, a lot of nectar, so that's good. Which is what I'm feeding them, honestly. It's just sugar water. Really good patterns going on here. Got a lot of pollen mixed in there. A lot of larvae. Besides doing well also. This queen is a good laying queen. Hopefully they stick her around, keep her around. I just got into another colony that is queenless. That I was made off of a swarm cell. Just got in there. Queen was laying, I mean, sheets of brood like this, and she's gone. They're requeening. I noticed there was some queen cells developing in there, and I don't know what happened. Maybe I could have possibly rolled her. I don't know. When I was in there checking the last time, but there's fairly laid larvae in there, fresh new larvae. So I don't know what happened. So we gotta be careful going in and out of our hives so you don't roll your queen. But I'm glad that there's some new larvae in there, fresh larvae that they're using, and I'm going to use some of those cells hopefully to make another split then. Yeah, this hive is thriving. I've yet to find the queen. I'd like to, but if not, it's fine. Hopefully. Got a lot of brood. Got a lot of comb on that bottom end. I'm gonna get off. I like it. Oh, there's cells in there though. Okay. Wow. They made there's more brood in that larva or in those combs, so I'm not gonna get rid of it. Down here at the bottom. Those are gonna be all new baby bees down there at the bottom. I haven't been in this hive really, I'm thinking 2 weeks, so maybe like 10 days. Boy, I would like to find that queen though, because I'm kind of nervous that all my queens are disappearing for whatever reason. But she was here laying, so I don't see any queen cells developing yet, so. And this is a very, very calm colony, fairly new. Just a matter, you get in these hives, you just kind of take your time. That's what I try to do. Take your time, observe. Be slow. Get another laid out frame, and now this is a foundationless type of frame. It's a little difficult to see the larvae in there, but they're there. So this colony is growing strong. Just don't see my queen. I have her marked, and maybe she chewed off the mark. They chewed off the markings from her, and I'm not really looking 100% for a queen that's unmarked. I've been trying to train my eyes to just, see my queens unmarked, and now I got them marked, and I'm just like, oh, where's the blue at? So. Might be on this one. There's some new comb right here. Boy, she's laying out. There she is. She's right there. See how she's blue? She's caramel color. Very good. I don't like her on the edge there as I'm gonna put this frame back in, and that could have been possibly what happened to my other queen. Let's get her down. Come on, girl, get down. See, it's a good laying queen. Look at bringing in pollen. Pollen legs right there. That's a good sign. Still getting some pollen. I want that queen to move in the middle. She's not. She's looking for more places to lay. She's running out of spots to lay. And they're building out more comb next to her for it. So that's good. She's laying out so good. And they're bringing in pollen. This whole thing is packed with larvae. Let's get her downstairs here. Might disturb the girls. Again, this is full of all the resources I keep giving them. I feed them 1-to-1 sugar water. And they did get some nectar probably from the wild, but a lot of this fill right here is probably from the sugar water. It's good. I'm just gonna keep feeding them sugar water. You want propolis. Also, the propolis in these hives are very good for you guys. It's good to collect this propolis. It's good for your immune system. It's good for healing wounds. You can make a tincture of this and spread this on a wound. It's got healing properties to it. The bees use it to keep themselves from getting sick. You could literally eat that just like it is. And it'd be okay. Just scrape it right off here and throw that in your mouth. It won't harm you at all. Alright, let's get out of this hive. These girls are getting a little spicy now. I'll disturb them a little bit. So let's clean some of this off. Very good colony. More propolis on this side.